What's up, Bully fam? It's your boy T with Doghouse Bullies. It is May 11th. We are going to a show today, Iced Out Bullies dog show right there in Beaumont. And it's about 5:30 in the morning. We're getting ready for this dog show. Right now it's about chow time. About to get these bulls fed. They act like they're starving to death, like they don't eat. Obviously they eat plenty, but we're gonna get some videos posted up today. Let y'all check out this dog show. Y'all stay tuned. All right, Bully fam, we are headed to go pick up my kennel partner and one of his dogs. Got the dogs loaded up, ready to go. It's almost that time. Doghouse Bullies, y'all stay tuned. Getting all set up. Rosie. Doghouse Bullies. And the dog show was definitely a success. Doghouse Bullies' first dog show. Iced Out Bully Frenzy in Beaumont, Texas. We had a blast out there. We seen some beautiful dogs. My kennel partner put his dog in the fun show. Unfortunately, he wasn't able to do the sanctioned show because one of the judges actually produced his dog. So, you know, that would have been a conflict. But still, he won Best Male, and then he got second place for, I think it was Best Blue. So it was definitely a success. It was a fun experience, and definitely want to do another one, that's for sure. I really liked the vibe, the whole, you know, ordeal of it. It was pretty fun. Kids had a blast. I didn't get to get as many videos and pictures as I like because my kids kept nagging me from my phone to play games. So my phone died. But appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.